You're welcome to this video. In this lesson, we shall consider a point perpendicular to a line or a point that is perpendicular on a line. The meaning of perpendicular means a point that subtends at an angle of 90 degrees on a line or at angle of 90 degrees to the line. We shall consider the first part of the construction. In this one, we are going to draw a horizontal line AB, and after drawing this line AB, we mark point P and make use of a mini drafter to create the perpendicular line to the point P. I will have the line EP perpendicular to the line AB. In this one, we'll draw a horizontal line AB and we'll have point P above the line AB. We'll set the compass to a suitable radius with the center at P, and to draw an arc which will touch the line AB to form the point C and D on the line AB. So we have the point C and D. Now we're going to set the compass to a radius which is greater than half of CD, with the center at D. C and D would describe an arc which is above the line AB to meet to form a new point, and this is the center of the compass at C, described with the same radius. When they meet to form a new point E, we connect the point P and E down to the line AB to form a perpendicular line to the line AB. Draw a horizontal line AB, and with the point P, I will select a point O which is above the line AB. We're going to draw a circle with the radius OP such that it passes through, it touches the line AB. The point where the line AB touches the circle on the other side of P will mark the point C. So the point C will connect the line OC such that it passes through the other end of the circle. At the point to get the point D. The point D is now connected to the point P to form the line DP, which is perpendicular to the line AB. Draw a horizontal line AB. I will mark a point P. Get a suitable radius to create a semicircle CD. The points C and D are on the line AB. With this same radius of CP and DP, with the centers at C and D respectively, we describe an arc on the semicircle CD to give us the points E and F respectively. with the same radius and with the centers E and F, will describe an arc to give us the point G. We connect the point G to P to give us the line GP is perpendicular to line AB. We draw a horizontal line AB. We'll mark the point on the line AB, mark point A and mark the point B on this line. I'll get a point P which is above the line AB. With the radius AP, and the center at A, will describe an arc below the line AB, and the radius BP and the center at B will describe an arc below the line AB to give us a new point Q. Connect the point P and Q to give us a perpendicular line PQ to the line AB. So the line PQ is perpendicular to line AB. The distance AP is not the same thing as BP. Draw a horizontal line AB and mark a point on the line P, or get a compass to mark a distance from P to get C and D. On the line AB, with the radius of the compass more than the distance CP and PD, will describe an arc to form the point E, and the point E and P will connect it to create a perpendicular line to line AB. So the line EP is perpendicular to line AB. Thank you for watching this video.